What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this video about XRP and also DXRP, the first ever decentralized exchange on top of the XRP ledger that is about to come out in the next coming weeks and months. Currently they are going viral, more and more people are getting here on board, and also if you don't want to miss it out, then of course check out the link in the video description for DXRP. I'm gonna put it also right at the top so you cannot miss it out. So we're gonna have a look first into XRP, guys, my own opinions, my own price predictions, and of course also why I'm buying also right now into DXRP. So first of all, I'm Alessandro. I'm updating you here since 2017, whatever is going on here in the crypto space, not only tier 1 coins like XRP, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, and so on. Also, I'm sharing everything that I'm trading, that I'm buying and selling here with you. I'm sharing all my crypto journey with you guys. So everything in this video is only my own opinions, my own price predictions. Do your own research as always, and everything is of course no financial advice. So for XRP, I am bullish now since we had this massive breakout to the upside in this bull run. So in this bull run, we created new all-time highs, and we didn't have seen that since quite some time here for XRP. And this is the first time that XRP is really breaking out and is also creating new all-time highs. And that's why I think that there is a potential trend upcoming. Also, like we have seen with Ethereum and Solana, with new meme coins getting launched on XRP, or new projects like DXRP getting launched on XRP and so on. I think that at some point there will be a new trend upcoming, because we have seen that already on Ethereum and Solana. Many projects on Solana or Ethereum got success and also were very good, of course, to invest in the early phase or even use it in the early stage, like Uniswap, that also got rewarded. Like people got rewarded with free airdrops for everyone that was using Uniswap basically since day one. And maybe in the future we're gonna see more such things, and that's why it is always good, in my opinion, to be invested into those new crypto projects, especially when it is first of its kind and also something completely new. And for XRP, I believe that we could even reach the $10 mark in this bull run, maybe not in 10 years, maybe in the next coming months, because I believe that we are going to enter in the next coming weeks and months into a parabolic altcoin season. Time will tell, of course, nothing is guaranteed. There is no financial advice, no price predictions, nothing. No one can tell you 100% sure. There are always black swans and things that you cannot predict. But if everything goes well, then the breakout target that XRP is having right now is in theory at $10 at least. And that's why I think that if XRP is starting to go parabolic in this altcoin season, we're gonna see many more new projects coming out on top of the of XRP. And this one here, DXRP, is doing basically the first step, and that's why I like this project a lot. You can of course also get on board here if you want to buy in, but I like this project a lot because it is the first of its kind. And this one also is in the very early stage phase. That means this one is just getting started. It is already mentioned in different crypto websites. There are also many news and articles talking about this new IDO on top of XRP. Important is basically just that you get on board if you're interested in this one before it is launching. Of course, you're gonna run much more risk whenever you're buying into an early access coin or project, because you never know what happens with the project until launch. But here, of course, we can invest right now for 5 cents per coin, and the listing price will be at 35 cents. So basically once it's reaching here 35 cents, then this one will come out. We can claim the tokens. I will update you, of course, whatever progress this one is doing, and also what to do once this one is launching, because whenever you're buying here into this coin, then the coins will be locked here until launch, and then at launch, of course, we can claim the tokens. You can also here bind your Solana or EVM, so Ethereum wallet, and then you can invest with different cryptos. So BNB, for example, Solana, even Bitcoin, Tron, and so on is possible. Different tokens and different chains are possible. And here you're gonna have a nice bonus system if you use my link in the video description. So if you spend a certain amount, then of course you're gonna get here a better bonus. Up to $1,500, you get the maximum bonus of 15%. That's the maximum, more is not possible. But of course, if you're investing, for example, $5,000, then maybe split it, for example, into different parts of 1,500 to get every time here 15%. Or if you just buy for 500, you get only 11%. If you spend $100, you get 3%. No, $150 is minimum to get that 3% bonus, and 7% is the next step basically. The minimum is $80, which I think is okay. If you spend $80, it's like the minimum here, which I think is okay. I bought much more than that, of course, but we will see what happens with this token. Also, staking will be possible. Many features are upcoming, so that's why stay tuned, guys, for future updates on DXRP, on XRP itself as well. And if you want to check it out, link is of course here in the video description. Follow up also their social media platforms and also my social media platforms on X, TikTok, Telegram, and so on, because of course I update you also there whenever I don't have time to do a video. But otherwise, of course, stay tuned here on YouTube, and make sure to be active here. Leave a comment, subscribe, like, share this video with all your friends, because as soon as we reach 2,000 subscribers, guys, the next milestone, we're gonna do a $100 giveaway worth of meme coins to the lucky winner that is the most active until then. And I'm gonna select that randomly, of course. So the more I see you active, just commenting anything, guys, in every video, the more likely it is I'm gonna select you as the lucky winner. So stay tuned, guys, be subscribed. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna see you all in the next one. Bye for now.